Congratulations, ma'am. Yay. Okay.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, kakatapos lang ng LASIK procedure. So, nakikita nyo naman, medyo namamaga pa yung ating mata. Pero anyways, okay lang naman. Kayang-kaya lang. So, napakagaling po ng Borough LASIK Center team. And headed by Dr. Serrano. Thank you very much. So, bukas, post-op po namin. I-remove na yung contact lenses na nasa mata ko ngayon. So, matutulog ako na naka-contact lens. Diba, bongga? Alright, so excited na ako guys sa Vision 2020. Yes. So, tingnan natin na ano yung mangyayari bukas. See you!
We're supporting team. Thanks for the love, baby. So, wala kaming choice but to extend another day.
Just follow-up check-up tomorrow. Good morning, Davao! So, it's my 1-week post-op check-up. So, early kami nag-check-out para early din kami matapos. Makauwi na kami ng Jinsan. Kasi napagod na kami dito sa syudad. Ubus na yung pira namin. Nyaw, nyaw, nyaw. Morning. Morning. Hindi pang katulugan. So, no makeup for today's video as usual. Kasi bawal pa daw. So, nakikita talaga yung ating perfectionism. See you later, guys. Bye. See you later, Borough LASIK Center.